Hello guys, and welcome to my other video about sequencing in series. Today we're going to talk about the nth number of an arithmetic sequence. Okay, but before starting, we're going to make a kind of a recap of what we were saying last time in arithmetic sequence. So here we had a sequence, and we had a definition of sequence and a common difference. And the common difference is this number here, this value here, plus 4, which is every time add to a term to go to the next one. Okay, and this you can also do it backward, subtract to go back. And this value needs to be the same to fulfill the definition of an arithmetic sequence, right? And to find this common difference, we said that, I took this little example here back to explain to you how to do that. The first term in a sequence is actually called a subscript 1. Okay, and if you move one step forward to the next term, you're gonna have an subscript 1 plus 1. If you move 2 steps, you're gonna have a subscript and plus 2. Okay, and that can continue to go on and on. Okay, and then if you can see here, if you want to find the difference between all these number or the term of the sequence, you just have to take, for example, if you're here, you want to find difference in between 1 and 5, you would take the second term or the next one. Okay, and then you will subtract. You take both terms and subtract the first term to the former one, to the next one. Pardon. Okay, and then you got this formula, the general formula of the common difference right here. Okay, so back now to the nth number. We said in our difference in previous video that a sequence was a series, or like a list of number in order. In ordered list of number is put in order with a common difference in between. Okay, and this case, we will have to see that if they are ordered, these not terms are ordered, it means that the first one is at the first position, the second one at the second position. It is in this order, and the third one, and so on. So imagine that, using this formula right here, imagine that we want to know, we are at this position. This is the 6th position. We want to know this number written here. And to get this number, okay, we have it already. It is 21, but we just want to make sure it is the correct number. And to have it, we're going to use the general formula of the nth number. Okay, and this formula stipulates that if you are at the 6th position, you're gonna have to replace n, the subscript n here, by 6. Okay, then you take the first term, okay, plus the rest of terms you can count onto the position, this position here. Okay, so if you can see that once we've taken 1, we still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms to work with. Okay, and this is this 5 here. And to get this 5, we will say, okay, we've already taken 1, then we have 6 terms in general. We will only subtract 1 from the 6th term, and we still have 5. Okay, and that's how it works here. And then we will have here 1 plus 5 times 4, which gives us 1 plus 20 equals to 21. And this is exactly at this position 21, the number which is written. Okay, and in this second example, we did the same thing. We are at this position here, right? And the number is 9. So we will take the first term, and the rest term to work with are 5 and 9. 2 times, like a 2 steps. Okay, and then to have 2, we will subtract the 3 from 1 that we've taken already, and then we have 2. times 4, it gives us 8 plus 1, that would be 9, and it is correct. Okay, see, it's very important to use this formula. It's an appropriate one, because if you have a large number, imagine you got a sequence with a large number and complicated number or something like that, that won't be easy to to just do that like we did here. I mean, to plug in the calculator and have an answer. Okay, so by using this one here, you're sure that you get to the result. You can say we want to know the 10th, the 10th number, what the 10th number is equal is, okay. So thank you guys for watching this video again, and until the next time. But before I leave you, let me tell you that next time I'll be talking about the sum of the nth first number of an arithmetic sequence. Okay, thank you for watching, and until next time, bye bye.